Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a brand new Craftsman cordless 16 gauge brad nailer. I'll be testing it out for you guys, unboxing it, letting you know exactly what's in the box. And yeah, hope you guys like it. Enjoy. Alrighty guys, so here it is. Craftsman 16 gauge brad nailer, cordless. This is going to be extremely convenient. Don't need a compressor. Super loud compressor, don't need that super long hose, don't have to roll it up afterwards. So here we go. Straight out of the box. Go. The instruction manual. Over to these little, oh, it comes with a few nails. That's cool. Alright, here's the baby right here. Big old gun. Holy Christ. Oh yeah, that's gonna be amazing. Okay. Comes with its own charger. Looks really nice. Comes with the clip, hold on your belt. And it comes with the Craftsman 20-volt battery. Let's put this bad boy in. Just have some sort of a safety on it. Amazing. Alright, let's go through the instructions real quick. Safety. Trigger lock switch off, number 2. Okay. Oh, okay. There's a little lock button right here. Did not even notice that. It's actually pretty cool. Off. Oh my god. That's amazing. Okay. It's not used to having these types of guns. Where do I put the nails in? I am back. Sorry about that, guys. So I was having trouble figuring out where to put the nails in. It's not like a normal staple gun. So with this, it's actually extremely easy. You flip it upside down and you literally just slide the nails right in through the bottom. It's pretty awesome. Slide those in and then you bring this thing down and it catches them. We'll just do 2. Right now you can see it's 2 different sizes as well. Slide this thing down, let it catch the nails, and that's it. see how this thing works. I got a little bit of a quarter round right here just to show you guys. Oh, that grabs really well. That's amazing. It's quiet. It's beautiful. Don't need an extension cord. You do not need a compressor. I definitely love it and recommend this. If you guys would like to see any other videos or unboxing, let me know.